Most people think you need to earn six figures to become rich. But here's the truth. Wealth comes from mastering just 3 simple money skills. Miss them, and you may stay stuck. Learn them, and you can change your entire financial future. Welcome back. We make money simple so you can live free. In this video, I'll reveal the 3 money skills that could actually make a difference for you. Anyone can learn them, and you can start today. The first skill is budgeting. If you don't control your money controls you. Use simple methods like the 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Budgeting means telling every dollar where to go instead of wondering where it went. Imagine you earn $3,000 a month and discover $450 wasted on takeout and subscriptions. By meal prepping and canceling unused services, you free up over $5,000 a year to save or invest. The second skill is investing, making money work for you. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts grow huge over time. For example, $100 a month invested at 10% could grow into over $130,000 in 25 years. That's the power of compounding. If you start at 25 investing just $200 monthly, you can end up with more than someone who started at 35 and invested for 3 times as long. Time in the market beats timing the market. The third skill is increasing your income. You can only cut so many costs, but income has no limit. Ask for raises, negotiate salaries, learn new skills, or start side hustles. Not negotiating your first salary can cost over $1 million across a career. And most millionaires have multiple income streams, salary, investments, and businesses. Imagine you earn an extra $500 a month freelancing. If you invest that money, it could grow into hundreds of thousands over time. More income equals more freedom. So here are the top 3 skills. Budgeting, control your cash. Investing, grow your wealth. Increasing income, accelerate your future. Combine them, and you're unstoppable. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which skill you're starting with today. Together, let's build a life of financial freedom. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a licensed financial professional before making money decisions.